You automatically get a free one-page website on IIMAGINE when you sign up. Go to My Business in the main menu and click Website. You'll see information about your website at the top of this page. You can access your website by going to this URL. If you take a look at the website, you will see that it includes some very basic demo content. Let's take a look at what you can do in the Brand and Design section. You can enter your business name and upload a logo. This is where you can select from several background animations. This is a great way to give your website a high-end look that stands out from the usual boring designs used by 99% of businesses. You can set your design colors in this section. Let's look at the Content section. You can enter the title and subtitle for the hero section. You can also upload a hero image. Keep in mind that this will site on top of the 3D animation, so you need to decide between a hero image or a 3D background. If you decide to use an image, you can use this section to add an overlay that makes the image darker to make it easier to read the title text on top of the image. You can add information about your services, pricing, FAQs. Let's look at the Links section. This is just a section that allows you to display links on the page. Let's look at the Embed section. This is copied from agents. You can also embed agents into a website by clicking Embed, copying the embed code, and pasting it into any website that can accept iframes. If you use the website provided by IIMAGINE, go to My Business, Website, Embed, then paste the embed code in the iframe box. You can see that you can restrict access to the result generated by the agent by requiring end users to enter their email to see the result. You can also set a tag for these users. The email addresses of these users will be added to the contacts list, which can be accessed by going to CRM, then Contacts. Let's look at the personalization section. You'll always get better results when you can personalize content for your target audience. For example, if you offer AI services and want to increase your conversion rates, you could create some content about AI services for accountants and separate content about AI services for lawyers. This content will be more effective than generic content, and you get even better results if you can direct them to a dedicated landing page, where accountants see a hero title like AI services for accountants, and lawyers see a title like AI services for lawyers. Your IIMAGINE website can do this automatically with a few simple settings. We just need to go to the Content section and enter AI services for role into the title. Then we go to the Personalization section and enter Accountants in the role variable. This sets the default to accountants. If we go to the site, you can see that it says AI services for accountants. Now, let's also check this box for Allow URL overrides in query parameters. This means that the system will read the URL and, if it finds any personalization information, it will use it. If we want to add personalization for lawyers, we just need to add this data to the URL. And you can see that this has changed the hero title to AI Services for Lawyers. I know this might be a little technical for some people. If you have trouble, ask Cortex. Let's look at the autoresponder section. This is the content for the email that will be automatically sent to people that submit your contact form. You can check this box to enable and disable this feature. The rest is self-explanatory. Let's look at the legal section. This is where you will enter your terms of service and privacy policy. You can get help from Cortex for this, but keep in mind that we're not providing any legal advice. You're completely responsible for getting this right.